And here's another. I'm going to chase a rabbit. The National Weather Service chat is a disaster, total disaster. Guess what the Weather Service in Birmingham used last Wednesday? I probably shouldn't be saying this because I might get them in trouble.
Uh-oh.
Slack.
Oh, what I guess that.
We were using Slack between the integrated warning team, broadcast meteorologists, emergency managers, first responders, the Weather Service. It is an amazingly modern, stable, robust platform that is built for what we need to do. You can share images and video. It is an amazing platform. But I got a message from the MIC down here. Guess what he said we're going to be doing this week? Back to Weather Service chat, because some, jamoke, got his pants in a wad. The Weather Service chat goes down all the time. It's not reliable. That is an urgent way of coordinating and communicating. And that I don't understand that. But, somebody got in trouble, I guess. So I'm probably getting somebody in trouble here. But goodness, we've got to fix that. But back to your question, it goes to coordination and communication. And I think we all ought to be on Slack, everybody in the weather enterprise or some platform like that that's modern and stable so we can communicate.
We love Slack. We've got warnings that come into Slack. We talk about the show during Slack. We do everything in Slack.
Yeah. And so what happens, like let's say we got a big day Thursday. Everybody's going to get into this Birmingham room, BMX, because that's where the action is. You got a big moderate risk or a high risk or something. Everybody's in there. What does it do? It crashes. It just goes down. And, and they won't even let them use Slack as a backup, I think now. It's just like off the table. And I'm thinking, guys, we are here to mitigate loss of life. We're not here to make, some guy's feelings feel good up in NOAA headquarters. And I regret that. But part of this communication thing and getting our messaging coordinated, it's that. We have a collaboration chat. I don't know if anybody does this. We have a collaboration chat between the Weather Service, MIC, SU, and WCM, and the Chief Meteorologist in the CWA. And that's it. That's all that's on there. And before big events, guess what we do? We go on there and we talk. This is prior to a winter storm, prior to a hurricane, prior to a severe weather event. And we coordinate and we exchange ideas. We have input to the Weather Service and what they do. And we come up with a plan together. And so we're on the same page. We communicate it differently. We all do. There's some people that think I'm a jabroni. They're not going to watch me. They're going to watch the other guy. That's fine. But they're going to get the same message from the other guy. And so I wish everybody would do that. And that's where the Weather Service and Storm Prediction Center need to be. This collaboration kind of thing. We're all kind of working toward the same goal here. And no tell me who have gotten in trouble on this show here, but that's okay. Yeah. That's what I do. I say outrageous things.